What is up, guys? Siljas here, and today we are back again with another video. And today we're going to be going into Roblox Studio to create your very own intro. Now, of course, intros can be as complicated as you want to make them or as simple as you want to make them. It can just be a simple play system, you just press a button and the screen GUI goes away. Or you can do camera manipulation and all this other stuff. So let's just open up a new base plate. And we don't need terrain editor. All we need is Explorer and properties for this. You don't need anything else. So you can just take off the rest off of your screen if you'd like. So what we got to do is go into Starter GUI, open up a screen GUI, and you can name this whatever you want to. I'm just going to name it Intro. And for your background, you can either use an image label or a frame. We're just going to use an image label just to kind of make it look fancy. And now you want to go down into your properties and search for size. Now all you want to do is do a 1, 0, 1, 0. And what that does is it scales it to fit the screen perfectly, and it makes things a little bit easier. I'm not really sure what image we should use. Having a little bit of complications here with the image. Okay, we're just gonna do a frame. We're having a little bit of technical difficulties with that. Now you will want to name this like background or something. It really doesn't matter what you name it. You can keep it as frame as long as you don't have a bunch of frames in here. But so we're just gonna fix the scale on this real quick. Okay, and now let's give it a nice, pretty color. We're just gonna make it this blue and drop the hue a little bit, give it kind of a lighter shade. Okay, so now what we want to do is add a text label. You can center it. Now what we want to do is do a 1, 0, 0, let's just do 200 probably. That should work pretty well. You can make it smaller, of course, if you like. Just get that centered up real quick. Now our background color, let's just do a 102 gray. Okay, seems simple. Let's add some border outline. How about a 5 maybe? Is that too big? I don't think it's big enough, to be honest. How about a 10? Okay, that looks pretty cool. Okay, so now you just want to go down to whatever font you want. I'm just going to make mine Gotham Black. And we're just going to type this in here for video's sake. Make it a white and text scale it. Okay, so now you have your title here. And next thing you want to do is add a text button. Now you can scale this whatever you want to. Just make it a little bit big. We're just going to duplicate this a couple of times because we're going to add some stuff here. Okay, so you want to name the first one play. And the second one can be help. And the third one can be credits. Alright. First one we're going to do is our play button. So we'll fix this up. And make it look all nice. Probably do a 5 border on these. And make sure that your buttons are the same color. Text scaled. and play. Okay. Honestly, it'd be easier just to do this. You can just go ahead and get rid of these, and we will just duplicate this. We'll just fix this real quick. All right, so we gotta change the names of these real quickly before we get into some scripting and making other stuff. Probably should have made these caps. All right, so now for our play button, we're just going to insert a local script, and all you want to put is script.parent.mouse button one click, connect function. That's all you got to do for that. If we can get out of these, there we go. And now we just want to put script.parent dot visible equals false. All right. So now what that does is if we click play, see how our thing is visible, and if we click play, it goes away. It's really simple. Now that we have that, we're going to get into some of the cooler stuff. What you want to do is insert another frame. We'll just put it level with the play. All right. Make this the same color gray. Give it some border pixels, make it look nice. And we're going to name this help frame. I'm just going to duplicate this. Go to the side with it, and then we're going to name this one credits frame. All right, we can just insert a text label, and for this one, we're just going to make the background transparency 0. All right, scale the text. Make it Gotham bold. Make it white. And we're gonna put credits. And then of course, all you need to do when you want to do it is just duplicate this, and then you can just put your name right under it. And that's all you need to do for that. And you just need to go to visible and uncheck it. Make sure it's not visible. And we'll just add one into here real quick. We'll do help scale it. All right, and now you need to do the same thing with this one and make sure that the frame is not visible. Okay, so now we're going to go back to the help, and what we're going to do is put it's basically the same thing as the play button. Just going to put script.parent.mouse button one click, connect function. Then we're going to put script.parent help frame visible equals true, and then we can just copy this one, go down in our credits and make a local script, and paste it, and instead of help frame, we will do credits frame. Alright, simple as that. We need to fix the spacing. Get rid of that real quick so that it'll work properly. Okay. So now, if we click play, if we click help, looks like we made a small error somewhere. Oh, I accidentally deleted my scripts. That makes sense. Let's just go ahead and type it back in here real quick. Sorry about that, guys. I guess I tapped undo a little more than I was supposed to. Man, I cannot. There we go. Okay. Now we just gotta fix this one. Okay, we gotta fix a gap here so that we don't have a error. Alright, now if we click play, click help, and your help frame shows up. Click. Let's check our output real quick. It's not a valid member of frame. Oh. Small little typo. Okay, so now if we go back in here, our credits frame should work. Now this little GUI will be down in the description below for you to use to make it a little easier on you. This video was to just simply help you on how to actually make them by yourselves. And you see our credits frame showed up and our help frame showed up. Now, if we take this out, you know, it'll scale better to your actual player screen. But yeah, I hope this video helped you out. And as I said, the model will be down in the description below if you'd like to use it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.